Hey everyone, a little bit of a break since our last video. Obviously with the quarantine going on, can't get out and do too much, but I did sneak away here for the week over to our family's beach house on the Olympic Peninsula, and I'm very excited to try my brand new Mavic Mini drone. Never flown a drone before. Did a bunch of research. I was looking at stuff for a couple weeks, and it seemed like for what I'm going to want to do with it, this seemed like the best option. So I'm going to start just as simple as, you know, going in the backyard and trying to get it to go up and to the side and stuff, and then hopefully throughout the rest of the week, where I'm staying at is a gorgeous area. We're right where the water is literally like 500 feet that way. The mountains are a few miles that way, so we'll try to get some good aerial shots. Hopefully it won't be too windy. That'll be the trick, but excited to play with a new toy. So truth be told, I did unbox this last night and kind of take a peek and took everything out of its container, but the drone itself is completely tiny. Like, it's the Mavic Mini, and you know, you can see compared to my hand, it's maybe the size of an iPhone. It weighs 249 grams, which means that you don't have to register it with the FAA. Of course, you still have to, you know, abide by the laws of the air, but the drone itself is very small. The legs fold out kind of like this, and just got to put a battery in and get everything set up, and I'm ready to go. But here's the head on. There's the camera. It's a 3 gimbal camera, so even when you're moving around, it kind of keeps a steady picture. Comes with the battery charger. I got the combo pack, so it comes with 3 batteries. One of them doesn't work though, so I gotta call them. And then the joystick controller. And the nice thing about the controller is your phone fits right in here, and so you can basically watch what you're doing while you're flying. So let's go outside and give this thing a try. All right, we got it all set up on flat ground, so I can use the case as the starter. So see if we can get this thing in the air. So it's 8 in the morning, the day after our initial flight yesterday, and heading down to the beach to try a more intense aerial experience with the drone. So one of the nice things about coming up to our little cabin up here on the peninsula is we are like 1,000 yards from the beach. No, not even that, 500 yards. So I'll be down there in 2 minutes, and we'll try to do this thing right. So this is the Strait of Juan to Fuca, and tides out a little bit so you can see some little spits that form. And there's Port Townsend over there, Mount Baker's over there on a sunny day, and Victoria, BC is back that way. All right, well, everything pre-flight is ready, and time for our takeoff. Well, I think that was a mostly successful first real run with the drone. Did about 10 minutes of flying time, so the battery's still got about 20 minutes left. So I think the move for it to use it is to just go to big parks or kind of open fields where you can be away from people, or maybe even, you know, more noisy parts of the city or something like that. So, but away from people. So still learning, but it was a lot of fun. Fun to make a video again. Probably go play with it a little later on as sunset comes in, and try to get some more water shots, but at a different location, more of a public beach.